Hi, I'm Gayatri. I run a bespoke cake studio called Cakes Love Company. Cakes Love Company started with the idea of creating the best quality cake for my son, who was 2 at the time. It's been 8 years and I have learned a lot through these years, both in baking and cake decorating skills. Over time, the feedback that I got from my clients regarding my cake and decoration skills both gave me the confidence that I could take baking from a hobby to a full-time work. What can you expect from this channel? Well, both baking and decoration skills as well. I have loved baking since I was a kid, but truly to start this as work was my passion for decorating. I hope you enjoy this channel and through it learn some recipes and spread the joy of baking with your friends and family.